Okay, well, dropping in the rocky connector. I'll follow you guys, see how you manage.
Alright, Gavin, you want to lead the way?
Yeah.
I guess so. I'll give you lots of space. Slow.
There we go. I feel like my foot's slipping even on the pedals. Which line is best? Whoa! In the snow. Whoa, whoa. Connector in the winter. Oh, I don't know where that would have gone. I gotta start looking ahead more. Whoa. Just using my dirt bike experience here, enduro on my 300. I'd rather be on my dirt bike, which I'm sure would be surprising to many mountain bikers who are really good at this stuff. Oh. Whoa! Yeah, I gotta learn to look up. Woo! Oh. Oh, rock hit ya. Woo! Okay, connector sign goes left. Hey there. Whoa! I had to put a foot down. All right, no, well, I mean, no, I had to. It might have been partly your fault, sure.
If we want to take this.
This is where they get
rocky screech one. I said had all those big drops.
Probably not.
I'm not feeling droppy today. Are you guys? Oh, I walked it last time in the dirt. Oh, I see.
Well, anyways, that was my first time doing something like that.
Yeah, it was fun.
I still would prefer to be on my dirt bike going down for safety until you get used to the mountain bike, obviously. The dirt bike suspension just is so much better.